If you've accidentally deleted a post on Facebook, don't worry. There's a way to recover it. In this video, I will show you how to get your post back in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to recover your deleted Facebook post. First of all, let's open up the Facebook mobile application and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the menu page, tap on this gear icon to go to the settings and privacy. So now what you want to do next is scroll down until you see an option called Activity Log. Once you find it, tap on it. So the activity log has a record of all of your activities since you first signed up on Facebook all those years ago. And now, in order to recover your Facebook posts, select the Trash option. And now you will see all the posts that you've deleted in the last 30 days. So all you have to do now is select the post that you want to restore and simply tap on the Restore button at the bottom right. And tap on Restore. And now you have successfully restored your deleted post. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.